asteroids may be close to Earth without being discovered, because NASA has discovered a dangerous area. Professor Richard Wainscoat, who led the research team at the University of Hawaii, said people shouldn't lose sleep over the chances of being hit by a devastating asteroid. But he added, in the event that we find something that is going to hit the Earth, we would like to do something about it. It's not a matter of finding them and sitting there and letting it hit. The algorithms governing the observation telescopes on the lookout for asteroids are programmed to flag up moving objects to avoid wrongly identifying phenomena like supernovas and flare stars. These take account of the fact that objects approaching Earth appear to drift west in the sky because of the Earth's eastward spin on its axis. However, when asteroids approach Earth from a portion of the eastern sky, roughly speaking, the patch that can be seen by looking directly up at around 2 a.m., the planet's spin and its curved orbit around the Sun can make the objects appear stationary. Published in the journal Icarus, the study states that 50% of impactors approaching Earth from the east can be expected to undergo periods of slow motion that may make them difficult to detect. Were it not for the phenomenon, asteroids of the size of the 2019 body, known as 2019 OK, would be detectable up to 4 weeks ahead of impact. The team conclude, surveys should take extra care when surveying the sky in this direction, and aggressively follow up new slow-moving objects. Way to go on Asteroid Catalogue project. Professor Wainscoat said it should be possible to update the algorithms to overcome the apparent stationary effect. The 2019 OK 100-meter asteroid was the largest currently known object of such a size passing by Earth within 70,000 kilometers. Since 1908, NASA characterizes near-Earth objects as those that come within 28 million miles of Earth's path around the Sun. In 1994, Congress tasked the agency with cataloging potentially hazardous NEOs larger than 1 kilometer. In 2005, Congress updated the direction, tasking NASA to find at least 90% of potentially hazardous NEOs sized 140 meters or larger. By the end of 2020, Professor Wainscoat said that approximately 40% of such objects had currently been catalogued. We've got a way to go, he said. Once we have catalogued more than 90%, the number that can creep up on us from this direction will be small. Plan to crash spacecraft into asteroid launched from Vandenberg Space Force Base in California in November. NASA's Double Asteroid Redirection Test Mission is the first trial of a so-called kinetic impactor technique to change the motion of an asteroid in space. Scientists will aim to crash the spacecraft into a moonlet of about 160 meters, orbiting around the near-Earth asteroid Didymos, which is approximately 780 meters. In 2019, NASA spent approximately $150 million on planetary defense programs, 40 times more than a decade before.